For my cousin Debbie that lives up in the mountains in Stewart's Draft. This is what's going on here in Richmond today. You can't even see the tree. It's white out. You can't even see the houses across the street. Just barely. Look, the bed on my pickup truck is completely full. It's overflowing full. Up to almost the ankles. Axles on my truck. But look at the intensity. The weatherman said it was going to keep on doing this till about 5 o'clock or so. Like this. My car, it's up past the bumper on my car. I gotta step back away from the door. This is the back door here. Coming in the back door is up against the door. I gotta get out there with a shovel. Here you go. I'll go across the back room and show you the other side of the house. Here's my Florida room. Cold out here though. I took pictures out this window a little while ago. You can't hardly see the snow is all up on the window. But that's my Uncle Cotton's garage 2 doors down. And the woods 3 doors down. You can't even see the trees down there. It's coming down so hard. Wicked. This is really a wicked storm. We're getting the worst of it today. Ross Runner came on. He said, "We expected it to snow this afternoon, but we didn't expect it to be quite this much." Really? Yeah. We're getting hammered. Anyway, adios.